Guys, check it out. We just got to RaceIQ Performance. We are getting a stage 1 tune on the ML55. Car is definitely ready for the stage 1 tune. If you've seen previous videos, you've seen the prep that I've done to this car in order to get the stage 1 tune done. A lot of you guys that are watching are probably ML55 owners. Pretty much what I was going to say, it's pretty important, so you guys stay for this until, you know, we get to the whole tuning and stuff. I know there's an ME 2.0, which is, I believe the years below 2002. I know those are hard to tune. RaceIQ definitely can tune the ME 2.0, so pretty much anything before the 2002. But RaceIQ also can tune remotely, so if you guys are, you know, not close to RaceIQ, he can definitely walk you through the whole process. So if you guys are really interested in that, definitely go ahead and get in touch with RaceIQ. And the rest of you, if you haven't gotten a tune yet, RaceIQ is definitely a great place to get a tune. You guys have seen my CLK 500 from RaceIQ. That thing is pretty fun. Like, it's awesome. Other than that, he tunes Audi, BMWs, exotics as well. So anything Ranger, Ferrari, Lamborghini, what are the others? Maybachs, all those cars he tunes as well. So if you guys are interested in the tune, definitely hit up Tony here at RaceIQ. You can follow them on Instagram as well. I will put their link in the description so you guys can check out the tunes. That's pretty much all I was gonna say before we get to the main video. So I did some prep before the tune. The intake, 3.5 inch intake for the exhaust. I have secondary cats off, and there's like a huge resonator that looks like a muffler. Just replaced that Jones GFP muffler on there. It sounds really wicked. I was trying to go for like the 63 sound, you know, the ML63s.
Extensively worked on this file years ago.
Oh yeah.
And made all the power I could get out of them.
So guys, this file is this file has basically been perfected in terms of overall horsepower and torque. Oh yeah, I do. Also, I would definitely love it if you could do the pops and bangs on this. You guys didn't think I would go for that, but
I knew that was coming.
I love my pops and bangs, especially with the exhaust setup. Oh, I think it's gonna sound really good. All right, guys, so I lied. The ME 2.0 is actually not hard to tune. It's just a little bit different
It's just different, a little different.
Different, yeah, than the ME 2.8. So, yeah, scratch what I said at the beginning.
Basically, if they're like 99 or 2000, 2001, they'll have the little round diode port on your hood, which then they would need the MyGenius to actually read the ECU out and then to flash.
So, quick update. This thing is actually gonna take a while to read. It's currently saying an hour to just read the file itself. So we're gonna hang out and chill for a little bit. All right, so quick update. Tony's doing his magic on his computer right there. It's a secret sauce, so I can't show you guys what it is. But once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and flash the car, and we'll go from there.
Okay, you can. Somebody's gonna steal it anyway. No.
Yeah, I looked at it. I was asking Tony what all that is. It just looks kind of complicated. Actually, it looks more complicated than I thought. But it's like what would you say? The Matrix? Did you say it's like the Matrix? Or
what? This stuff?
Yeah.
No.
Probably not, because you've been doing it for a while.
Not quite the Matrix.
Guys, check out this W208. This is a W208, and it's got the supercharger motor in it, and it's currently out because Tony was working on it, but it's going back in here. But I just think this is a pretty cool build because, I mean, it's a W208. I don't think I've seen anyone put a supercharger or E55 motor in this. All right, so this is the process whenever you're flashing onto the ECU, the fan kicks on. I'll show you exactly what's going on in there. So that's pretty much the tool that's being used to flash. It takes about what? About 5 minutes? 2 minutes, yeah. And the flash is done. And I think I did mention mine is a ME 2.0, so Just wanted to let you guys know. The tune is officially flashed. It's currently dark outside. We're gonna see how it sounds right now.